Hi, it's Leah from Imagine DIY again, and we have another tutorial showing you this really pretty invitation. And in this tutorial I'm also going to show you how we make this really lovely triple Dior bow and add the embellishment. So to start, I'm going to show you how to make the Dior bow, and I've started with some wide or 25mm ribbon. I'm just going to use a tape runner just to add a little bit of tape on the end. And as you can see, we're going to fold that into the middle. There, just keeping it even with the edges. Add another little section of tape at the middle. And then we're going to fold the ribbon back over. And that's going to form the start or the front edge of our bow. We're then going to turn it back over to the front and fold it so we have like an even overlay. Turn it back around and run a line of tape along the center of the bow. We're then going to press the ribbon into place and do the same again. We're just going to turn it back around to the front, fold it over so we've got a nice even edge, and again run a line of tape across the back. There. And we're really just repeating the process again. One more time. And then we're just going to do it again, but only halfway, and that will make the third loop on the last edge. So we're just taking this one back to the middle, and then we're going to trim off any excess with the scissors. There. So the next thing we're going to do is just run 2 lines of tape across the center of our bow at the back. And we're going to run the edge of the ribbon, or stick the edge of the ribbon on top of one end of the tape, wrap it around and secure it on the other end of the tape. And then we're just going to run another line of tape on top, stick it down and trim off the excess with the scissors. And there you've got your Dior bow, your triple Dior bow, looking really nice there. We're just going to stick that on top of the invitation. But first of all, I'm just going to show you how we make the invitation. So essentially, we've got this printed, the template's on our website. We're just folding it into the invitation. And then we're going to run a line of ribbon around. So if you just hold the center of the ribbon at the front of the invitation, just like this, wrap it around and then cut it off so you've got a few centimeters overlap. There. Again, we're going to use a double-sided tape just to secure one end on top of the other. And just press it into place. So now we're going to stick the Dior bow on top. So we're just running a line of tape across the Dior bow at the back and stick it into place. So press it down nice and firmly and make sure it follows the line of the bow. So finally we're going to stick the embellishment on top, and we're just doing that using a hot melt glue gun. Just putting a small amount of glue on the back of the embellishment. And once we've done that, we're just going to carefully press the embellishment into place on the front of the bow. And there's your invitation finished, looking really lovely. I think this is a really elegant invitation. And if you'd like to make this yourself, the full product list, the downloadable templates, everything you need is on our website, www.imaginediy.co.uk. So why don't you visit our site and give it a go? Thanks for watching our video. Bye.